Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can install XAMPP on your Windows laptop or PC. So for it you need to go to any browser, and in the browser you need to search for XAMPP, then press enter, and here you can see apachefriends.org. So you need to click here and you will see multiple version for XAMPP, Windows, Linux and OS X. So we are using Windows, so we need to click here and it will start downloading XAMPP file over here. It will take a few seconds, and there you can see it started downloading. So it is around 150 MB, so it will take like 2 to 3 minutes to download. So right now I will just fast forward the video, and there you can see the download is complete. So when the download is complete, we just need to double click on this downloaded file, and you will see something like this. Here you can see. So here we need to click on OK, then we need to click here next. Keep everything the way it is, do not touch anything, then click on next, and here you can see, or you can choose where you want to install XAMPP. So I will recommend you to keep the default location, then click on next, next and next, and here you can see it started installing XAMPP. So this will take a few seconds to install XAMPP. So again I will just fast forward the video, and there you can see it's almost done and it's complete. So here I'm just going to uncheck this, then click on finish. So XAMPP is installed. So how can you check it? So here you need to go to your Windows search option, and you need to write over here XAMPP, and here you can see XAMPP control panel. If we click on this, it will open the XAMPP control panel, and here you can see we can start the Apache and MySQL properly. So this is how you can download and install XAMPP on Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.